If your LG monitor has built-in speakers but no sound is coming through, the issue is often related to audio output settings, physical connections, or driver configuration. This tutorial outlines troubleshooting steps to resolve the problem. Step 1. Check computer audio output settings. Your system may be sending sound to internal speakers instead of the monitor. On Windows, click the speaker icon in the taskbar, open the list of playback devices, and select your LG monitor as the output device. Play any audio to confirm if the issue is resolved. On macOS, go to System Preferences, select Sound, and choose the LG monitor as the output device. Step 2. Adjust monitor volume and check mute. Many LG monitors include a joystick control underneath or behind the screen. Press it to open the menu, then navigate to the sound settings, increase the volume level, and ensure mute is turned off. The LG monitor may have its own volume control separate from your computer. Step 3. Check input compatibility setting. In the monitor menu, go to Settings, then General, and find Input Compatibility version. If it is set to 2.1 PC, change it to 2.1 AV. This can resolve audio issues, especially with HDMI connections or Mac devices. Step 4. Verify physical connections. Ensure the HDMI or DisplayPort cable is firmly connected at both ends. If you use a DP2 HDMI adapter, note that DisplayPort does not inherently support audio, but it can transmit audio if the source and adapter support it. Restart your computer and monitor after reconnecting the cable. For setups without HDMI, you may need to connect a separate auxiliary 3.5mm cable to carry audio. Ensure the cable is plugged into the monitor's audio input and your computer's audio output. Step 5. Update or reinstall audio drivers. Right-click the Start menu and open Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Then right-click your audio device and select Uninstall Device. Restart your computer and Windows will reinstall the drivers automatically. Update drivers through Device Manager or Windows Update if the issue persists. Step 6. Additional checks for DisplayPort users. DisplayPort connections can sometimes fail to deliver audio if the correct settings are not applied. Use the monitor's on-screen display to confirm that the audio input is set correctly. If you are using a HDMI to DisplayPort adapter, audio functionality may not be supported. Limitation. These steps apply primarily to external speakers or monitor-integrated speakers. Most LG monitors do not have built-in speakers and require external audio equipment. If your monitor lacks speakers, you will not hear sound regardless of settings. The input compatibility fix is especially relevant for Mac users and certain HDMI configurations.